morning, children. Okay. Now open page number 11 in your textbook. So yesterday we studied about writing the place values and expanded form. So yesterday we did the try these box on page number 11, question number 1. Okay. Now we switch on to question number 2. But before we solve question number 2, let me first explain you what is Indian system and what is international system. So means Indian system means what? That whatever expanded form or whatever number name you are writing, fine, can be written in two ways. It can be written according to the Indian system and it can be written according to the international system. Now till then, this question number 1, the number names which we have written according to the Indian system, right? And now we are going to study the international system. So we will have a comparative study of Indian and international system. So first let me write this number name according to the Indian system. For example, this is 9423 8197. So when we write the number name, what we have to do? We have to write first the place value. So we start with ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. Okay? Fine. How will I write this number name? I will write this number name as 9 crores 42 lakhs then 38,000 197. Right? I write this number name according to the Indian system. Right? So till now we have studied the Indian system. Now the same number, this is the same number, how will you write in international system? Now according to international system, the place values will be ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Up till here it is same in Indian and international system. But then instead of lakhs, you write 100,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, then thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Okay? And then million, 10 million. If there would be another number over here, it would be 100 million. Understood? So now again, as I told you that lakhs and 10 lakhs, they will be spoken together. 1,000 and 10,000, they will be spoken together. So similarly here, what you have to do? All the thousands part will be written together. All the millions part will be written together. Right? So this is ones, tens, 100, 10,000, 10,000 and 100,000. This number has to be spoken together and then million and 10 million. These two numbers are to be spoken together. Right? Okay. So when I have to write the number name of this number, how will I write? So I speak 10 million and million together. Right? So I will speak as 94 million. 94 million. Okay. Then I have to speak these three numbers together. So I speak as 238,000. So 94 million 238,000 and then 197. 197. Okay. So this number can be written in the international system as 94,238,238. 238, I speak it together. 238,197. And the same number according to the Indian system can be spoken as 9,42,38,197. Okay, got the point? So according to the international system and Indian system, the first step that you have to do is you have to write the place values. If it is Indian system, you have to write in this way, and if it is international system, you have to write in this way. Fine. Now comes placing of commas. Okay, placing of commas. Now placing of commas, how are we going to make it, right? Now according to the Indian system, you have to place the commas from the right hand side. First you have to take 3 steps. So 1, 2 and 3, I place a comma. Then I have to take 2 steps, 1 and 2, I place a comma. Again 2 steps, right? So I place a comma. Again 2 steps, but there is no need for making 2 steps because there is only one number, right? So we place the commas in this way. So we speak as 9,42,38,197, right? Similarly, in the international system, what you have to do? First, you have to start from the right hand side. 7, 9 and 1. So I place a comma over here. Then 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 together. So I place a comma over here. Then again I have to take 3 steps, right? But 3 steps, I cannot take 3 steps because there are only 2 numbers. So I leave it as it is. So this number is spoken as 94,238,197. Okay. So placing of commas, how can it be done according to the Indian system? You have to start from right hand side. First take 3 steps, then 2 steps, then 2 steps, then 2 steps. And according to international system, you have to start from right hand side, take 3 steps, then again take 3 steps, then again take 3 steps, like that. Okay? If 3 steps are not possible, you have to leave it as it is. There is no need to put a 0 over here and then a comma. Can you start a number with a comma first? No, right? So, this is not possible. You have to write it this way. Okay? Is this clear? Indian system and international system? Okay. So, now on page number 11, try this question number 2. We can solve it. Okay? Open page number 11. Question number 2. Read these numbers. So, 4 sums are given to you and then you see A and B. Write these numbers using placement boxes and then using commas in Indian as well as international system of numeration. Arrange these in ascending and descending order. Fine. So first we have to take each number and then write according to the Indian system and international system. Right. So I will do the first and third one. You have to do the second and fourth one. Okay. So let me do the first one. So what is the first one? 5, 2, 7, 8, 6, 4. 5, 2, 7, 8, 6, 4. Okay. Now you have to write this number in both the systems, right? So first I write according to the Indian system. So I write as 5, 2, 7, 8, 6, 4. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. I also have to place the commas. So starting from the right hand side, 3, 2 and 2, but there is only one number. So how will I write the number name? 5 lakhs 27,864. 10,000 and 100,000. Okay, and then I will first place the commas. So for international system, you start with right hand side and take a group of 3. Again take a group of 3. There is no need to put a comma over here. Here it finishes. Now how will you write the number name? You have to write or speak these 3 together. So 527,864. So the number name will be 527,864. Like this way. Here also you have to put commas. Okay, so this is the first question number 2. I have done the first one. Okay, so in your notebook also you have to write like this way. First you write the main number, then write Indian system, write the place values, put the commas, write the number name. Then for the same number, write the international system, write the number, write the place values, put the commas and write the number name. Okay, now second one we'll just discuss it orally. Okay, second one we'll just discuss it orally. What is the second number? I mean the third one. Sorry, second you have to do for homework. Okay. The third one, 18950049. 18950049. Okay. So for the Indian system, I will write as ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores. Okay, placing of commas 3, 2 and 2. Okay, how will I speak this number? 1 crores, 89 lakhs, 550,000, 49. Okay, now for international system. So here you have to write the number name, children. Okay, and then international system. Now international system 1895049. 1895. Okay, so now ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million and 10 million. Okay, I place the commas. So 3, 3, 3, but we have only 2. And now how will you name it? 18,950,049. Is that clear, children? Okay, so in this way, please finish up first, second, third and fourth, and then question number A is international and Indian system, which you have already written, and then B is arrange in ascending order. So you have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big, which you have already studied how you can arrange the numbers in ascending order. Okay, so your homework is page 11. Try this question number 2. Okay, and question number 3, cancel it. There is no need for you to do question number 3. Okay, children, thank you. Have a nice day.